hunt and skill acquisition show. Are you an upcoming model, actor, rap, R&B, gospel, reggae, or high life musician? Are you trying to find your footing on social media? Do you want to earn money with talents and skills? Do not look any further. Sign up for Ebona, the 103.5 FM Media Talent Hunt and Skill Acquisition Show. Today, you will have the opportunity to learn and become an expert in video coverage, photography, film editing, music production, advertising and social media marketing, content creation, filmmaking, radio drama, magazine production, and many more. Register today at Ebona, the 103.5 FM Ogidi, opposite Obunike Boys, inside European Residency Hotel Ogidi. For more information, call or WhatsApp 080 6579 6599.
Good evening and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM News Update. Today, Wednesday, the first day of January 2025. And the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Efan Shuku Ekeze is my name. The headlines. Nnamdi Kano's lawyer raises alarm, says Anambra under siege. Enugu lawmaker Onwegbu decries attempt to pitch him against Governor Mba. Abia Airport, conduct EIA first. NSF tells the federal government. No security in Anambra. Catholic priest laments over 1 million naira paid to rescue colleague. Victor Oshime rejects every January offer to win trophies with Galatasaray. New Year's Eve celebrations around the world ring in 2025. Now, details. Nnamdi Kano's lawyer raises alarm, says Anambra under siege. Ifeanyi Ejiofor, a lawyer to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kano, has condemned the rising insecurity in Anambra State. Ejiofor said the state is now under the siege of the activities of unknown gunmen who specialize in kidnapping and killing of residents of the state. In a statement issued on Tuesday, December 31st, Ejiofor described the continued killing of many, including security personnel, as unspeakable atrocities that are deeply tragic. Reacting to the most recent attack in Ihiala, Ejiofor said, I am filled with grief and outrage. My heart bleeds. He called on the governor of Anambra State, Chukwuma Soludo, to tackle the real perpetrators of the crimes in the state. Ejiofor also urged residents to ensure they got involved in the business of security for a collective action to end the menace. He added, these criminals are no strangers. They are shielded by those within our communities. The state must deploy every available resources to protect its citizens. Enugu lawmaker Onwegbu decries attempt to pitch him against Governor Mba. Member representing Aninri Ogu, Uji River Federal Constituency, Honorable Engineer Anayo Onwegbu has decried an attempt to sow discord between him and the Enugu State Governor Peter Mba over the affairs of People's Democratic Party (PDP) in the state. Onwegbu stated this while reacting to a publication by an online newspaper on December 26, 2024, titled crisis imminent in Enugu State PDP. Party chieftain alas Governor Mba. The lawmaker maintained that he has a harmonious and collaborative relationship with the governor and the PDP leadership in the state. A statement by the Onwebu's chief spokesperson, head of publicity, Ojiako Sam, said, contrary to the claims made in the publication, it is on record that Honorable Onwebu was on vacation abroad during the Congress period that produced the ward executives and other party structures in the state. Since his return, he has maintained cordial relations with all duly elected officials. Furthermore, Honorable Onwebu has never approached the state PDP chairman to discuss or request the removal or replacement of any ward executive, nor does he have any intention of doing so. His only visit to the state party chairman alongside stakeholders from Oji River was to extend congratulations to the state chairman on his election upon his Onwebu's return from abroad. No such requests were made during the visit. Abia Airport conduct EIA first. NSF tells the federal government. Nsulu Stakeholders Forum has called on the federal government to first conduct a comprehensive environmental impact assessment before going ahead with the proposed Abia Airport in Nsulu, Isialamba, not local government area of Abia State. NSF, in a statement yesterday, said why it was not opposed to the airport, saying in densely populated communities in Nsulu would be harmful to the lives of members of the communities and those yet unborn. He also expressed his support for a petition by the Nsulu communities through their council, Mr. Sylvester Okonkwo, to the Minister of Aviation and Aerospace, Inspector General of Police, Director General of the Department of State Services, and the National Security Advisor, NSA, over what they describe as land grabbing by the other state government. The affected Nsulu communities are Iputu, Umuikocha, Umuode, Umuezuku, Umuogo, Umuoma, Iko, Umuosu, Umuata, Umuosu, Umuole, Umuosu, Okporokwu, Umuosu, Umuodeshe, Ubaha, Umala, Umuezenta, Mbasi, Mbubo, and Umu Omainta. Mbasi. The communities are the owners of the hectares of land sought to be taken over by the state government for the proposed Abia project. No security in Anambra. Catholic priest laments over 1 million naira paid to rescue colleague. The spiritual director of Holy Ghost Adoration Ministry, Ukwe, Anambra State, Reverend Father Emmanuel Obimma, widely known as Father Ebube Monso, has decried the collapse of security in Anambra State. Speaking after the release of Reverend Father Nonso, a priest who was abducted and held captive for a week, Father Obimma detailed the lengths he went to secure his colleagues' freedom. For a week, Father Nonso was in the hands of kidnappers. The government could not do anything. I had to use my own resources to rescue him, Father Obimma said. Father Nonso was kidnapped on December 17, shortly after returning to Nigeria for the Christmas holiday. According to Father Obimma, he sought help from security operatives outside Anambra to locate the kidnappers using tracking technology. The operatives provided the kidnappers a precise location. However, when Father Obimma shared the information with local security forces, he faced resistance. They asked me, "What do you want us to do with it?" They claimed that they don't usually go into forests, he said. Father Obimma said he mobilized his team to act before the police realized he was serious. I told the chief security of Adoration to assemble men with cutlasses and guns and that I would lead the operation myself. Only when they realized I was serious did the police agree to intervene, but not without logistics. I had to send them 1 million naira, he revealed. Victor Osimhen rejects every January offer to win trophies with Galatasaray. Super Eagles attacker Victor Osimhen has reportedly turned down every offer that will see him leave the Turkish Super League, where he is currently on loan at Galatasaray. Osimhen joined the Yellow Reds on loan from Napoli with a clause allowing him to join any club of his choice in January. provided there is an agreed deal with the Neapolitans. The Nigerian international has quickly adjusted to life in Turkey, scoring 12 goals and providing 5 assists in 15 appearances for the club. The Super Eagles talisman has been on the radar of Chelsea, Arsenal, and Manchester United, who are particularly eager for a January deal to rescue their struggling Premier League campaigns. Newsmen confirm there are numerous offers, including one from Manchester United. However, Osimhen has rejected every offer to remain at Galatasaray. Currently, Galatasaray are on the verge of securing their 25th Super League title, citing 8 points clear at the top of the league table and sixth in their Europa League group standings. Report further suggested that Osimhen is determined to see out the season with Galatasaray and win trophies with the team rather than leaving his job half done with a mid-season exit. You are listening to news updates on Ebona at the 103.5 FM. Now we move over to the foreign scene. New Year's Eve celebration around the world ringing 2025. New Year's Eve celebrations and fireworks around the world are ringing in 2025 as New York City Times Square gears up for the traditional ball drop at midnight before an estimated 1 million revelers. New Zealand was one of the first to welcome 2025 at midnight Tuesday with fireworks launched from Sky Tower in Auckland a full 18 hours before the east coast of the United States enters the new year. More than a million people watched fireworks in Australia's Sydney Harbour against the backdrop of Sydney's Harbour Bridge and the Opera House to the music of British pop star Robbie Williams as the clock struck midnight there. Sydney's celebration also featured indigenous ceremonies to honor Australia's first people. Happy New Year from Sydney. What a night. Bring on 2025 is going to be great. The city of Sydney wrote Tuesday in a post on X showing the massive fireworks display in Japan. A large light display lit up a building in Tokyo with words Happy New Year 2025. Japan is celebrating the New Year of the Snake, a rebirth in a reference to the reptile's shedding skin. Hong Kong rang in 2025 with a massive fireworks display over Victoria Harbour as revelers in China also enjoyed a light show and live performance at Shonggang Park in Beijing. Chinese New Year, which is based on the lunar calendar, falls on January 29th. This is where we draw the curtain on news updates on Airborne at the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Nnamdi Kano's lawyer raises alarm, says Anambra under siege. Enugu lawmaker Onwegbu decries attempt to pitch him against Governor Mba. Abia Airport conduct EIA first. NSF tells federal government. No security in Anambra. Catholic priest laments over 1 million naira paid to rescue colleague. Victor Osimhen rejects every January offer to win trophies with Galatasaray. New Year's Eve celebrations around the world ringing 2025. You just listened to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Efan Shuku Ekeze. Thank you for listening. Good evening.
Listen to news updates on Ebona the 103.5 FM immediately after Angelus 6 o'clock a.m. and the 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebona the FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM. Born at the 103.5 FM, Ogidi presents Media Talent Hunt and Skill Acquisition Show. Are you an upcoming model, actor, rap, R&B, gospel, reggae, or high life musician? Are you trying to find your footing on social media? Do you want to earn money with talents and skills? Do not look any further. Sign up for Ebona, the 103.5 FM Media Talent Hunt and Skill Acquisition Show. Today, you will have the opportunity to learn and become an expert in video coverage, photography, film editing, music production, advertising and social media marketing, content creation, filmmaking, radio drama, magazine production, and many more. Register today at Ebona, the 103.5 FM Ogidi, opposite Ogunite Boys, inside Leofin Residency Hotel, Ogidi. For more information, call or WhatsApp 080 65 79 6599.
How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets, our community, our society in general? Street report. If we do not address these challenges on Ebona FM, who will? As the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be.
Our government,
Street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets. In your community, Street Report is here with hardcore journalism to get to the roots of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin Ifanishku, Anambra the Force, every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on Ebona 103.5 FM as Street Reports unfolds
in your face.
On Emas and Ebona, the Ebona
24/7, 24/7.
Vacancy, vacancy, vacancy. Are you a DJ? Do you speak English and Igbo language fluently? Submit your CV and the letter of application at Ebona, the 103.5 FM Ogidi, opposite Ogunike Boys, inside Residency Hotel Leofin Ogidi.
Abụ onye Anambra amụrụ ọda agengem na ọ na-abụ mbata Anambra steeti na-achọ ebe ife na-eme ọ dịka enwe ife na-akọ m ya wee kpọọ ezigbote enyi m nwoke wee jụbịa kedu ebe ife na-eme na Anambra steeti ọ wee sị m ka ọ na m anụbeghị maka Residency Hotel Leofin Ogidi m wee sị enyi m nwoke ọ gịnị na-eme na Residency Hotel Leofin Ogidi ọ sị m chelụ m na ebe ọ na-achọ ịpịa m na-abụ ole sị m na enwe executive rooms and suites n'Ogidi na Residency sị m ka m ejego na dia restaurant ka akatigodo m na chef fadebelode na aka adọrọkwa ya mma n'ife a na-esi esi na ọkwa nri sie mtọ wee sịzịa m na m bịaja na dia outdoor arena ebe a na-eme ma wedding, traditional marriage, dedication, naming ceremony, shows and displays. Some Nabanwe swimming pool, or one for whether she didn't know when Lozap and then with them, where Taka, never but even them, Hagaman on a residency hotels, Leofino. Come on, or let all out. As you one in a residency hotel, Leofino, be well secured in a serene environment. Ordinary kilometer 13, Old Enugu Onitsha Expressway. So look Makano made there, and we have number on your Mungeji book here, na 081 40 933 512. And I'm up just now. Come book.
Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. I see the subscribe button right here. Remember to activate, the notification button. That will always remind you about what we are doing right here. Like the video too, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for joining right about now. Dialogue.